When it comes to versatile and portable cooking solutions, this Vayepro Hot Plate stands out as a top contender. This 500-watt single electric cooktop offers a range of features that cater to various cooking needs, making it an excellent addition to any home, office, dorm, or camping setup. In this detailed review, we will explore its key features, performance, safety, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Key features. 1. Compatibility with all cookware. One of the most significant advantages of the Vayepro Hot Plate is its compatibility with all types of cookware. Unlike induction cookers that require specific types of pots and pans, this hot plate works with any flat-bottomed cookware. Whether you have aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, or glass cookware, the Vayepro Hot Plate can handle it all. This versatility is a huge plus for anyone who has a diverse collection of pots and pans. 2. Safety and durability. Safety is paramount when dealing with any kitchen appliance, and the Vayepro Hot Plate excels in this area. It features a voltage and thermal regulator to protect against overheating, and non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays firmly in place during use. The hot plate can accommodate cookware up to 7.1 inches in diameter and 22 pounds in weight, providing ample support for various cooking tasks. Additionally, the knob is positioned away from the hot plate to prevent accidental scalding. The unit is ETL listed, conforming to All STD 1026, ensuring it meets high safety standards. 3. Eco-friendly and efficient. Built with corrosion-resistant cast iron heating elements, the Vayepro Hot Plate is designed for durability and efficiency. The temperature light cycles on and off to maintain the desired temperature automatically, which helps save energy. Compared to traditional induction cookers, it saves up to 30% electricity. The temperature range is impressive, from 80 to 1058 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a wide variety of cooking methods from slow cooking to high-heat frying. 4. Ultra-thin design. The compact and ultra-thin design of the Vayepro Hot Plate makes it a perfect fit for small spaces. It consumes minimal counter space and is easy to store, making it an ideal backup cooking solution for large parties or events. The stainless steel body is built to withstand frequent and heavy use, and it takes about 20 minutes to cool down, keeping food warm longer. This feature is particularly useful in dorms, offices, campsites, RVs, and homes with limited kitchen space. 5. 18-month warranty. Customer satisfaction is a priority for Vayepro. They offer an 18-month warranty on their hot plate, and their after-sales service team is committed to responding to inquiries within 24 hours. This level of support provides peace of mind, knowing that any potential issues will be addressed promptly. In terms of performance, the Vayepro Hot Plate delivers consistent and reliable heat. Its 500-watt power supply ensures that it can handle a variety of cooking tasks efficiently. Whether you need to fry, stir-fry, cook soup, or slow cook, this hot plate can do it all. The temperature control is precise, and the cast iron heating element provides even heat distribution, which is crucial for achieving perfect cooking results. During our testing, we found that the hot plate heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature. The automatic temperature cycling ensures that your food doesn't burn or overcook, making it easier to achieve the desired results every time. The non-slip rubber feet keep the unit stable, even when handling heavier cookware. Safety is a significant concern with any cooking appliance, and the Vayepro Hot Plate includes several features to ensure safe operation. The voltage and thermal regulator prevent overheating, while the non-slip rubber feet keep the unit stable on any surface. The knob is positioned away from the heating element to prevent accidental burns. Additionally, the ETL listing and conformity to all standards provide reassurance that the hot plate meets stringent safety requirements. Maintaining the Vayepro Hot Plate is straightforward and hassle-free. The one-piece glass surface is easy to clean with a simple wipe down, and there are no crevices for food residue to accumulate. This design not only makes cleaning more manageable, but also ensures that the hot plate remains in good condition for longer. The stainless steel body is resistant to corrosion and can withstand heavy use, making it a durable addition to your kitchen. The Vayepro Hot Plate's compact design makes it an excellent choice for a variety of settings. It's perfect for camping trips, student accommodations, holiday homes, caravans, and RVs. Its portability allows you to cook anywhere with access to a power outlet, and its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you need an extra burner for a large gathering or a portable cooking solution for your travels, the Vayepro Hot Plate is up to the task. It's important to note that during the first use, you may notice a smell and light smoke. This is due to a protective coating used during the manufacturing process. A proper burn-in cycle, preferably done outdoors for 15 minutes, will help eliminate any coating residue. Also, the temperature light cycling on and off is a normal feature that maintains the desired temperature automatically, not an indication of a defect. In conclusion, the Vayepro Hot Plate is a versatile, efficient, and reliable cooking solution that offers excellent value for its price. Its compatibility with all cookware types, safety features, and compact design make it an ideal choice for various settings. Whether you're looking for a backup cooking solution for large gatherings, a portable stove for camping, or an extra burner for your busy kitchen, the Vayepro Hot Plate delivers on all fronts. With its robust construction, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, it's a worthy addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.